playing sounds with the audio tag is very simple, but writing more custom controls for your audio can be challenging. In order to create an audio player, we're going to do a little bit of setup. Since audio doesn't have a visual component, you have to use something to stand in for the audio. I've set up a list of audio titles that has the style of lists that we covered in Chapter 5. But let's take a look at the structure of our jukebox. Here you see that I've created a standard background with a little vertical lines. And I styled my list with round edges, semi-transparent backgrounds, and inset shadows. Now, one thing I need to do is give the background elements a little room for icons, which are going to stand in for our audio. I'm just going to modify the padding of list elements to push the text a little bit to the right. I'm also going to add some icons to stand in for the audio, and I'm going to create different styles for different versions of this audio. So I'll have an icon for when we're playing the audio, and I'll have an icon for when we've paused the audio. These icons are in the images folder that's in this chapter. Finally, I'm going to modify my list so that it contains the location of the audio files. So I added a source to each of the list elements with the location of the audio files. So that's the basic structure of our page. Let's work on some of the JavaScript controls for the audio in the rest of this chapter.